Hi guys, my name's Chad and I'm here to talk to you guys about my famous green tea that I make with all these special ingredients. So just a little bit about me. I got my bachelor's degree in allied health and nutrition and human health services, and I went forward and got my master's degree in public health. So I kind of just wanted to share some experiences and things that I've learned throughout the years that maybe help everybody with their immunity to kind of fight this COVID-19 that's going on around the world right now. So just to get started, I'll talk about some of the tools that I use, some of the ingredients that I use. So first off, I use this pot about this size, so it'll hold about 16 cups. So I already have 8 cups of water already in it right now. And then right here, I already have it pre-measured, another 8 cups of water. And then next, I have fresh ginger root. So you can get this anywhere, but you kind of peel it like a potato. So you want to be careful though when you do peel it. But after it's done, this is what it should look like. And then next, I've got organic honey. And I use about a half a cup with organic honey. And then I got about a half a cup of just regular sugar. And then here I've got fresh mint leaves, so I use about 20 mint leaves per pot that I make with my green tea. Here I've got just 3 regular lemons, and I got fresh ground cinnamon here, and I use about 1 tablespoon and that should be it. And I've got the 10 tea bags, 10 green tea bags. So just to get started, like I said, I've got my 8 cups of water already here. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my other 8 cups of water. So that'll give us a total of 16 cups in total. So that'll get started there. So just to talk about some of the history of the green tea, it actually helps, heal on a molecular level. So this is going to help build our immunity for the COVID-19. And so we're going to go ahead and already put 10 tea bags in there. And it actually helps repair our cells. It helps build up our immunity, our immune system. So it's a wonderful, wonderful thing to drink on a daily basis. So we've got our 16 cups of water. We've got our 10 green tea bags. So I'm going to go ahead and already turn this on the fire. So while you're preparing the rest, I'm kind of just going to turn it about on number 7 on the stove. Just kind of like half, just to start warming up the water there. All right, so what takes the longest is trying to prepare and peel the ginger, but next I want to go ahead and pick off my 20 mint leaves here. So you don't necessarily need to count, but I would just say like give or take about 20 here. And you just kind of want to peel them off the stem like that. I've already cleaned them, they're already ready to go. You can get mint plants, you can get already pre-packaged mint leaves already ready to go. So that's going to cover about my 20, and it just enough to put in the palm of your hand, just like that. Like it's not too much. So I've already put that in the pot there. And the last thing you want to put in is the honey. So we're going to save that for last. So the next thing you want to do after you've already peeled your ginger and everything, you want to go ahead and put it in, if you guys got like a blender. I got this little blender here that I put it in. And I put just a little bit, just let it go, I would say maybe a half a cup of water right there. It's just enough to kind of create like a base for the ginger. Alright, so we're going to get that started. We're just going to grind it all up and kind of extract out that really nice ginger. Alright, so you kind of puree that just a little bit for about 30 seconds in the blender there. And then you get this really, really nice, like chopped up real fine. That's going to really extract out that ginger. And ginger is really, really good for irritable bowel syndrome. It's good for nausea. If you're feeling sick in your stomach, that's really going to help out. And you can just kind of pour all that ginger extract in there into the water. All right, so next, so we did our 16 cups of water. We did our 20 mint leaves, we did our 10 green tea bags, and then we just did about 3 little pieces of ginger, all chopped up nice and fine and pureed. All right, so next we're gonna do the lemons. So like I said, we're gonna do 3 lemons, and I got a lemon squeezer. So that really helps whenever you're trying to extract out that lemon juice. And the lemons are really, really good for the immune system. It's good for your skin, it's good for your blood. It helps reduce blood pressure, and it actually helps you lose weight as well. So you just cut the lemon in half. You kind of just start turning it clockwise and see how it's really extracting out that lemon juice. So you just do this for 3 different times with lemon, and it really makes a really wonderful lemon juice there. And the special properties about the mint, it's really good also for, you know, for your breath. It's good for irritable bowel syndrome. It's good for brain function. So all these ingredients are really great special properties to really help your immune system. Because realistically, to fight any type of virus or any type of cold or flu, it's really good just to, you know, fight it from within, right? You really want to set your immune system up to be super healthy, super ready to attack any type of virus that's going on around. So after 3 lemons, you get about, I would say probably about a half a cup of lemon juice. And you can go ahead and just pour that right in the pot here. So as you can see, we're making a pretty good tea here. All right, so next we can go ahead and put in our half a cup of sugar, and I just use like a half a cup right here. All right, there you go. All right, so then we'll get about 1 tablespoon of freshly ground cinnamon here. All right, so we got that there. That's about 1 tablespoon right there. I'm just gonna sprinkle it right over the top here. Okay. All right, so the last and final thing is going to be the organic honey. So you don't want to put the honey in yet, because as you put the honey and it's on high heat, it's going to lose all of its antibacterial properties. So you don't want that. So you want to keep the honey as full of antioxidants as possible. And then lastly, you want to also put a couple droplets of vanilla. And that's just going to help pull all the flavors together in the green tea. So I'll go ahead and just put a couple droplets there. And so at this point, you can go ahead and turn up the heat just a little bit. And then as you know it starts to boil, you can go ahead and put in your half a cup of honey right here. And then once you get all the ingredients in and it's fully boiled, then you're all set. You let it boil for about 1 minute. All right, so after you're done boiling, you're just going to take the fire off and let it sit on the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes to let it cool, just for safety precautions. And then at the very end, you get about a 1-gallon container here. And this is what your tea is going to look like. So you can serve it cold, you can serve it hot. I personally like it cold. It stays good in the refrigerator for about 1.5 weeks. It's super wonderful. You're going to feel great about yourself. You're going to feel energy. You're going to feel your immune system is boosted. There's so many amazing things and so many properties, so many great ingredients. And I hope that this helps, especially that we're all here fighting the COVID-19 together. And if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, comment in the video, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you guys may have. Thank you.